all sizes
for out documents. So, To-Go also partners with Davao Central Convenience Stores and USSC selected outlets in Davao. And that is the float from To-Go Express Incorporated.
Baka ikaw, meron ka atang gusto i-send sa mga, relatives or loved ones outside, pwede po kayo pupunta sa kanila.
Yeah.
Ikaw, baka makita ko yung picture mo sa mga international competition.
Ito talaga tomba, no?
So thank you once again to Go Express Incorporated.
And approaching the Chickadings.
Our Chickadings, red na naman. So we have Don Julian Rodriguez Sr., Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps.
They are now at 3 years as a functioning group, and it has attended several activities in the city and has accepted several invitations from different malls in the city.
Very active din sila. Makita na ako sila mag-perform
So passion talaga nila ang pagbibigay ng entertainment.
Yes, ayan, makikita niyo energy sa kanilang mga chikiting.
Cute.
Grabe talaga ka festive ang Kadayawan kasi papakita mo sa energy ng ating mga dancers, especially sa the youth. Either siguro sa picture or video.
Ang cute ng nakita mo yung nagka-drum sa likod daw. Ayun, appreciate. Kahit ang laki ng kanyang drum, perform pa rin.
Yes, yan ang spirit ng Dabawen niya.
And would like to say hi to the parents and teachers from the Don Juan Julian Rodriguez Elementary School from and Lyre Corps. Hello, sir.
Happy Kadayawan! So far, sila ang colors. Natay red, natay white, natay yellow, may lang yun nyo na pag-festival nila kasi Kadayawan. Very colorful.
And now we have the AKT Reproductive Health Incorporated. So, Filipina is a campaign to empower women in making responsible choices for their reproductive health and family planning needs.
Yes.
So,
And I remember that they recognize the fact that the Filipino women of today are more responsible and are on the lookout for the best way to practice family planning. Something that you should never be ashamed of. Filipina supports the Filipino women in making the right choice.
knowing that doing so will define our future in the end. So we must be given the freedom to choose and empowered to decide, supported by men in their decisions. Through its Filipina campaign, DKT Reproductive Health Incorporated helps every